Hi folks, this is Mary. I'm excited to show you a 2020 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 221 DBSCK. This is a floor plan that I really like because a big family can sleep in this one. You can have 8 people sleeping in this unit. The gross vehicle weight is 7,600 pounds, so it makes it great for the size, and it's still doable for a mid-sized truck. It has a really nice solid step, which is always helpful when you're loading that unit and you're getting all your groceries and your gear loaded up. You've got a solid step that goes onto the ground, which I think is fantastic. There is an outside kitchen and an awning, outside speakers, so you're good to go. On this particular unit, you've got one big slide, which makes the living area a lot better. I do like the counter space, how you've got it wraps around, so you've got more counter space in this unit than most. And then on this particular model, you do have what's called a Murphy bed. That's going to fold down and then fold back up when you don't want to use the bed anymore and give you some extra seating spaces, so which is really helpful. There's double bunks there, which aren't tiny. You can fit 2 kids on each of those bunks easily, 2 small kids. The bathroom does have a tub, which I think is great when you go camping and you just want to like rinse off those little ones and you don't want to have water spraying all over the place. You can just fill it up and rinse them off and send them to bed. I would love to show you this unit or any other units that you are interested in here at Guaranty. My direct number is 406-850-4590. And again, my name is Mary, and I would love to help you. Give me a call. Thanks.